looking at this thing, hey, standard Pi-Star configuration on one side, USB-C plus 2 HDMI output ports, and I believe that is an audio output port. Other side of this thing, standard USB connections and one Ethernet connection over here. On the top of it, look in there, what goes in the SMA connector? An antenna. We're gonna plug it in. There you go. It's initializing. Now I've already set this one up, but I'm gonna kind of walk you through setting this thing up. If you look up here where I'm clicking DMR net and YSF net, the mode status is set up for YSF and DMR. So we do have somebody talking right now, WA1YKB, and we can actually listen to him on the 878. It doesn't matter what radio you have, this is transmitting to both of them at the same time.